Hello friends, this is your physics Sita ma'am. Today, NEET series day 5, 22nd question 22. If force F, velocity V and time t are taken as fundamental units, then the dimensions of mass are. So, we are going to find that force F, velocity V and time t. We know the general formula that F can be written as m into A. That means mass into acceleration. Again, this can be written as mass into acceleration can be taken as velocity by time. Yes, acceleration can be taken as velocity by time. So, we can take what is mass because in question they asked what is dimensions of mass. So, I'm going to take that mass is equals to force into time by velocity. Mass is equals to force into time by velocity. So, what is the dimensional formula for this force if we can write as it is? In the case of velocity, it is V inverse and for time t. So please check the answer whether you are getting these options A, B, C, D. Yes. In this A option no, B no, C. Please check the D option. F, V inverse T. Yes. So D is the correct answer for the case of force V, velocity V and time T. Yes. Now 23rd question. The dimensions of epsilon naught E square where epsilon naught is permittivity of free space and E is electric field R. So we are going to find the dimensions for this. So epsilon naught we have the that is epsilon naught can be taken as m power minus 1 L power minus 3 T power 4 A square. And what about this E? In the case of electric field, the dimensional formula is m L T power minus 3 A power minus 1. Yeah. If you substitute, what we will get? That is epsilon naught into E square, which is equals to half into epsilon naught into E square. So we are taking what is epsilon naught? Epsilon naught is m power minus 1 into L power minus 3 into T power 4 A square into what is E? Electric field. That is m into L T power minus 3 A inverse, the whole square. So if you cancel, we will be getting the final answer. Just cancel it and check. This is 1m gets cancelled and one more m would be remaining. So I'll take it as m. In the case of L power minus 3, this is L power minus 3, the square would be present there, right? This is L, sorry, that's the 3. L power minus 3 into L. So 1L get cancelled. Remaining would be L power minus 1. What about this T? This is T power 4. So if you take this, that is 3 power minus 3, the whole square will be taken, right? So whole square means minus 3 again, 6 will be there. So 6 minus 4, remaining 2, that is minus 2. What about this A, ampere? That is A square. If you square this both will get cancelled. So the final answer for this, the dimensional formula will be taking m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. So please check the answer where we are getting this. That is, this is the B answer. So we are getting the B option is correct for this. So please check it friends, what about the epsilon naught and what about this E? These type of question if you want to solve, you should know completely that dimensional formula. So very easily if you're taking dimensional formula, it will be easy to cancel the things and you can get the answer very easily. Yes, next question. 24th question. See this 24th question. Velocity of sound in a gas is given by V is equals to velocity. V is equals to root of gamma P by rho. So we are going to find what is the dimensional formula for gamma. So what is the formula first of all for gamma? This is ratio between Cp by Cv. For Cp by Cv, it's a dimensionless. So it has no unit. It has no unit. So the dimension would be m0, l0, t0, which has no units, right? So check it. Yeah, B answer. B option is the correct answer for this 24th question. 25th question. In the equation y equal to a sine omega t plus kx, the dimensional formula of omega is. that is angular velocity. Omega is nothing but this is angular velocity. This can be written as V by R. Yes, so omega can be written as V by R means V is velocity, right? Velocity means displacement by time. So displacement is L, T. Time is T inverse by L. For radius, we are taking it as L only. So if you LL gets cancelled, we'll be having T inverse. So we have the answer, that is m0, that is mass is 0, length is also 0, but time inverse we have. Please check the options A, B, C, D. In this, if you check the option, A is the correct answer. We have A answer is correct. So m0, L0, T inverse is the correct answer. Now 26th question. In this 26th question, in the relation P is equals to alpha by beta, e power minus alpha z by k theta, which is P is pressure, z is this distance, k is Boltzmann constant, and theta is temperature. So the dimensional formula of beta. For this, the dimensional formula we are going to find. So we know the formula, that is alpha, that is alpha z by k theta, that we are taking that alpha is equals to k theta by z. So what is alpha in this? Alpha can be taken as ml square t power minus 2 k power minus 1 into theta, again we are taking it as k, z is length. So if you cancel, you will get that ml power t, ml t power minus 2. Yes, when you cancel, you will get this. Also, for pressure, we can take that alpha by beta. Pressure is the formula. We have that alpha by beta. So in the case of beta, what you will take now? In the case of beta, we can take that alpha by pressure. So what is the alpha here? Alpha is ml t power minus 2. We found here that answer, divided by what is the pressure? Pressure is nothing but stress. We have the formula, force by area. That is m L power minus 2 t power minus 1. Minus 2. Which is equals to, we have, when you cancel, n will get cancelled, L and L get cancelled. So this it goes up. Yeah. So what we will get now? M not. Get cancelled, right? In the case of L, L power minus 1. That means if it goes up, this will become plus 1. So L power 2, T gets cancelled. That is T power 0. So please check the options. What is the option? We have the correct option in this. Yeah, we have the correct option is A. That is m naught L square T naught. Yes, friend. Yeah. I hope you all understood this. Thank you.